Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cydecker. In this video I'm going to do the unboxing of the Realme GT Neo 3T device. Yes friends, finally I did receive the Realme GT Neo 3T, and in this video let's do the quick unboxing of the Realme GT Neo 3T. So finally friends, here's a quick look at the Realme GT Neo 3T. As you can see, this is the Realme GT Neo 3T, so which the Realme did release recently in the Flipkart as well, and which has got a Snapdragon 870 plus chipset, 870 processor in this device, and 120 Hz refresh rate. Everything is kind of pretty similar to the Realme GT Neo 2 device, except the fast charging thing. But for the price of 22,000 in the Flipkart, which is available during the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale, a lot of users are actually thinking of buying this Realme GT Neo 3T. So I thought of testing it out by myself, whether this phone is actually worth to buy or not. So these are color frames which I did order right now. As you can see, it's a Realme GT Neo 3T device, so which looks kind of yellow, and this phone has got in the green color the Realme GT Neo 2, and these are kind of yellow design, which on the back side you can see here clearly. And let's put the phone aside, and inside we'll be getting as usual things regarding the charging and the cables and everything. We'll be getting 80 watts charger, along with that we'll be getting the cable as well, and this is a case. You can see this is a normal case. So let me know in the comment section below friends, what are other videos you want me to upload on this Realme GT Neo 3D device, especially in case if you're looking to buy this device. Let me know in the comment section comments as well, so I might be able to upload those videos. So don't worry guys, if I'm not replying to your comments, I'll definitely see the comments, because I may not be having the time to make the videos and reply to each and every person, but I'll definitely see the comments and take care about the videos what need to be done on this particular device. And let's go to the normal setup process, what's going on in this device and everything. So I'm just trying to skip everything as well. And right now, as you can see friends, you can see the Realme UI logo as well, and get started. And this is how it is regarding the interface and everything, but definitely everything is completely known to us. And my variant which I did order, which is the Realme GT Neo 3T with the 8GB version, which I have ordered right now, as you can see, 8GB version. And definitely the phone has got some battery in it as well, 59% out of the box. That's kind of something good to know. And which comes with the Android 12 out of the box as well in this device, Android 12, and with the Snapdragon 870 processor. So everything kind of completely similar to the Realme GT Neo 2 device. Nothing much major changes you won't be able to notice in this device anyway. Everything should be kind of completely same, but I'll definitely focus on other things like regarding the display, green tint issues, and black color issues, and other aspects about those in my next upcoming videos. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. It's a quick initial normal unboxing video, just letting you guys know that I got the phone, and let me know in the comments. So meanwhile, signing off until instead of more updates, and bye.